Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan presents a video on foundational literacy, and today's topic is how many. So let's get started. First of all, when do we use how many? Okay, so what is the use of the how many and where we use it? Let's see. We use how many for asking about countable nouns or for the nouns that can be counted like books, pens, leaves and shoes, etc. When using how many, the noun will always be plural. Now let's see some examples. Here you can see one pic. How many balls do you see in this picture? So what would be your answer? Your answer would be, I see 10 balls in this picture. So here you can observe, you can see how many is being used in this question for knowing the numbers of the ball, how many total number of balls are there. Okay. Now let's see another example. In this picture you can see some girls. How many girls are there in this picture? So once again we are using how many here in this question for knowing the number of these girls. So your expected answer would be, there are 5 girls in this picture. See some more examples. You can see here that I have some toys, and we will learn the use of how many in the sentences using these toys. Okay, so here you can see on the table that I have 3 teddy bears. Okay, so this one is the bigger one, he is the father of these 2, and this one you can see actually his name is Motu and he likes to play games. So do you know what is the favorite game of this Motu? The favorite game of this Motu is 10 pins, or we can call it bowling also. Okay, so how many pins are there? You can see here, I'm just making the sentence, you just listen my sentence. How many pins are there? So let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So your answer could be 10. Okay, so when I'm just asking the question, you just listen my question, how many pins are there? So how many, actually this word how many we need to use for asking about any noun. Okay, about anything which we want to know. For that we can use how many. And now he is the Motu, and the second one name is, what is the name of this person? Do you know? You see he is very hairy. You can see there are so many hairs on his body, and his name is Chotu. Okay, so now this Chotu likes to do the study. He likes he likes doing study. So he wants to buy some pens. You can see here some pens. He wants to buy some pens, and what color pen he likes to buy? You can see here blue color pens he likes to buy. Here I have some pens. Okay, so how many pens do I have in my hand? You can count: 1 2 3 4 5. 5 pens I have, or this teddy bear have with him. Okay, now here we have one rabbit, and he is very very interested in eating sweets and chocolates. So I bought some chocolates for him. So my question is for you, how many chocolates are there for this rabbit? So you can see these chocolates. How many chocolates are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9. So total 9 chocolates are there. And what would be my question for asking about these chocolates? How many chocolates are there for this rabbit? So how many? Once again, you see, I'm just using the word how many for asking the question. This is the example of noun. Okay, chocolates is the name of sweet. So just this is the example of noun. Now here I have some more toys. You can see this one, and here one more dog, maybe dog or it's squirrel. Okay, here I have one more toy. So now my question is for you all, that how many total number of toys do I have with me? Once again, you just listen my question. How many toys in all do I have with me? So you just count and tell me the answer. I need your answer. Okay. Okay, let me do it for you. Let me count all the toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Total number of toys I have, how many? 23, you see. So for asking the question about the nouns, generally we use the word how many in the questions. So children, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have understood very well the use of how many. Bye bye.